Okay, so here's a cluster bezel for one of my vehicles. This was all smashed, made out of Bakelite material, and this is where the plastic from ice cream containers works well. You clamp it onto the surface, curved, straight, whatever, and fiberglass resin won't stick to it. It's a release mold, so you can create your own patterns, and it can be clamped, and then it's strong too. So I wanted to take photos, but it wouldn't let me upload them. So, and you can still see the mark from the plastic where it had the numbers embedded in the plastic. So that's perfect, and you can get it very, very accurate as well. And that's Chuck's wipes from the kitchen, and it costs you basically nothing. So very strong, and you just use the syringes, the little 5-minute epoxy resin ones, and you don't have to worry about mixing time or working time because you've only got a little bit of it at a time, and you probably use 3 tubes, 4 tubes, and away you go. The proof is in it. I mean, that was rough as guts when I got it, and it's immaculate now. So how good do you want to make it?